Hello and welcome back to Dolphin Mom Videos. It's been a while, but I'm so happy to be here again. We're making Brazilian lemonade, a summer dream in a glass. Start by trimming both ends of your green limes. Cut them into two and then to quarters. Gently cut out the white center. It can leave your drink bitter. Let's add the lime pieces into a blender. Now pour in 3 cups of cool water. Now 1/3 cup of silky condensed milk for a touch of sweetness. Now let's pulse quickly, 5 to 10 seconds, just enough to blend. Strain the mixture, separating out the zest and the pulp. Pour into a chill glass, and there you have it. Brazilian lemonade. Creamy, citrusy, and irresistibly refreshing. Thank you for joining me again. Gentle joy and homegrown care. Coming soon from Dolphin Mom.